Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone, alright, without the need of your password to your Apple ID or this and that. And it's a very common issue sometimes when you want to use it for like troubleshooting, alright, or you just want, just bought a second-hand iPhone and it is turn my iPhone is turned on as being locked to the previous owner, and the previous owner still can track where you are and you don't want that to happen. So today I'm going to teach you a way that you guys can actually turn off Find My iPhone, alright, without the need of an Apple ID, and it works really well because I was once a fallen victim of this as well, and I was looking for solution for that until I found this software right here. So this is a TenorShare for you key, alright, and this thing is really incredible, right? So this is all-in-one iPhone hospital that helps you do whatever you have issues with your iPhone, alright, and it's not only just limited to like helping you turning off like Find My iPhone, but it also can help with a lot of other things like iCloud lock if you forgot your passcode, alright, or you want to remove mobile device management, removing of screen time passcode, or whatever you want to do on this, alright, you guys can do it on this software. So it's a very generic software that can do anything you want on your iPhone, alright. You can help your friends, family, or your loved ones, alright, with any of this issue, which is really good and really awesome, alright. And it has been working really well and super reliable. I don't want to run any issues afterwards, alright. I can use my iPhone as per normal, sign into my own iCloud account. I can receive constant update from iOS, so everything is really awesome, right? It doesn't break my phone. So today I'm going to show you guys the software itself, and after that followed by a quick demonstration on how this software actually works and how this actually turns off the Find My iPhone. So I'm going to show you the full demonstration, but before that, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software first. Let's go. Alright, so you guys can see behind me, this is the software itself, and like I said earlier on, it has a lot of features. So if you're getting this software, you're getting all the features. You're not getting just for one thing. So it's very generous of them to include everything right here. Like I said, you guys can use it to unlock iOS screen. If you forgot your passcode, your Touch ID, or Face ID not working, you guys can use this to unlock your iPhone itself, or you guys will have this to remove iCloud activation lock. Alright, this is one we were talking about today. Alright, removing a screen time passcode, bypassing mobile device management, and as well as removing Apple ID without a password. So if you have run into any issue, your friends, family, anyone have any of issues with iPhone, you guys can use this software to help them out right away. Alright, but today our main focus will be turning off Find My iPhone, and the first thing you have to do is just to click on this part, disable Find My iPhone, and all you have to do is just to connect your device, your affected iPhone, to your PC, your laptop, or your MacBook, and after that you guys can just go ahead and just follow the on-screen instruction to get your phone into DFU mode or recovery mode, and just follow some on-screen instructions, and bam, alright, the whole thing is done. Alright, so for this, it's slightly much complicated, but it's not very hard that you probably can't do it at home. So right now I'm going to show you guys the full demonstration itself so you guys can see and follow step by step on how to turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone right now. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the demonstration process itself. Let's go. Okay, first thing first, I have to connect my iPhone to my PC via the cable itself. Alright, and on the software itself, just need to click on disable Find My iPhone. Alright, and on here, you just need to click on start to remove, and make sure that your screen lock has passcode set up. So you just go tap to settings, scroll the way down, go to apps, and go to find Safari. Alright, and if you scroll the way down, you see advanced. Alright, and if you go into web inspector, make sure this option is enabled. Alright, so once it's enabled, alright, you guys can return to the home screen, open Safari, and go to iCloud.com. Alright, so once you're in iCloud.com, alright, you need to sign in the iCloud with your Apple ID itself. So yeah, so once you enable Apple ID, alright, and make sure you're signing in, alright, and it should auto detect and it should start to disable Find My iPhone. So at this time, you just need to wait for a while, maybe about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how fast your internet and the whole phone is. Alright, once it's done, it will say Find My iPhone disabled successfully. Alright, you guys can verify for the status below, and yeah, once done, you can just copy and paste your serial number and just copy that into this website itself. Alright, you just click on search and it should say Find My iPhone is offed. Alright, so yeah, this is how you guys can see that it has been successfully turned off on your iPhone, and the whole demonstration process is actually very fast and very easy. Alright, so if you guys have seen from the whole demonstration process itself, this thing is very easy, very straightforward, and you don't have to be extremely tech savvy to do so. And the best part about this is you don't have to go to a third party service provider to remove to disable Find My iPhone, because one, you have to travel all the way down, and you have to waste your time and petrol costs and everything, and second of all, you're going to pay like a much higher price compared to getting this software and doing it at the comfort of your own home, whereas you have to pay for their rental fees, all this, so that they're definitely going to charge more for that. All right, and yeah, it's not really viable option. Whereas this one, you can just download and do it straight away. You don't have to waste your time, wait a few hours. All right, and you guys can just do it at the comfort of your own home, get a cup of coffee, all this and that, and after that, you guys can get it done. All right, get the Find My iPhone disabled in less than 10 to 15 minutes time, which is really, really incredible. So yeah, if you guys want to check out this standard share for you key and start disabling your Find My iPhone on your iPhone right now, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this software for yourself right now. All right, and I can ensure you that I've been using this, and I'm using my iPhone for over a few months now, and doesn't run into any issue at all. All right, so this is the one that I actually used, tested, and it's safe to say that this software is really reliable. All right, there's a lot of software out there, you don't know which one is good, which one is reliable. Some might even brick your phone. So if you want something that is actually safe and reliable and I've actually used before, all right, you guys can check out this standard share for you key and start helping your phone, or like unlocking your phone, or even removing off your Find My iPhone from your iPhone itself. So once again, if you want to check out this standard share for you key, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this for yourself right now. So that's all for the guys. Found this video really interesting and really helpful and did help you out. All right, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below your iPhone model as well. All right, so yeah, that's all for the guys once again, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.